JAS-39 Gripen, Armament and Avionics. JAS-39 Gripen. General information. Role, multi-role fighter. National origin, Sweden. First flight, December 9, 1988. Introduction, June 9, 1996. Number built, 271 plus. JAS-39 Gripen. Armament. Guns. 127mm Mauser BK-27 revolver cannon. Hardpoints, 10 hardpoints. Air-to-air missiles. 8 Arter missile range 22 km. Iris-T missile range 25 km. AIM-9 Sidewinder missile range 35 km. MBDA Meteor missile range 160 km. Air-to-surface missiles. Taurus KEPD 350 missile range 500 km. RBS-15F missile range 70 km. Bombs. 7 GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bomb. 8 Mark 82 bombs. 16 GBU-39 SDB. 12 alternative small-diameter glide bomb. JAS-39 Gripen. Avionics. Selex ES-05 Raven AESA radar. Skyward GIRST system. Air-to-air and air-to-surface. Tactical data link system. Wide area display, WAD, single screen display. Targo helmet mounted display, HMD. ANVIS advanced night vision system. And head-up display, HUD.